Today I'll be showing you how to make a weird sound with your mouth. It sounds like this. And how to do this, well, it's really simple. It's like this. So you go good first, like that, right? And do this at the same time. Like that, at the same time. Don't make the sound like no. Just make the sound from low to high, like that. So sound out like this. You probably do anywhere like under here, 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 back here, and neck and chest. There's other places you could do, but I don't really know. Like your nose, you probably do, like right here, back here, and stuff. So that's how you do it. Just go this and at the same time, but don't make the sound. Don't make the sound like okay. Okay, it will sound like this. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll take any dares from you. Like just comment me, put like, would you do this? Would you do that? Like that. I'll read those comments and make a video about it. I'll pick one of your channels and put it as a winner. Okay? Well, bye. This is Scott, Shit Method 321. Okay, there you guys.